The DJI Mini 5 Pro is sending waves of excitement through the drone world. Building on the incredible success of the Mini 4 Pro, this highly anticipated release is rumored to bring next-level upgrades in camera performance, AI tracking, and connectivity, all while staying true to its ultra-lightweight, sub-250 grams design. But here's the big question. Can DJI push innovation to the edge without sacrificing the portability that makes this series so iconic? Let's unpack the latest leaks and uncover how the Mini 5 Pro could revolutionize aerial photography and videography once again. One of the most compelling aspects of DJI's Mini series is its ability to deliver exceptional functionality within the constraints of its sub-250 grams weight class, which exempts it from licensing in many regions. The upcoming Mini 5 Pro promises to continue this tradition, but it also highlights an ongoing challenge for DJI: innovating within strict weight limits. This isn't just a design constraint, it's an opportunity for ingenuity. For instance, rumors suggest that DJI may introduce a lighter, more efficient battery design, maintaining its impressive 40-minute flight time without tipping the scales. This delicate balance between portability and performance keeps the Mini 5 Pro accessible to beginners while catering to seasoned enthusiasts. However, the real game changer may lie in the camera. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a 1-inch sensor, a significant upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's smaller 1 by 1.3-inch sensor. While the resolution might stay at 4K, this enhancement could bring dramatic improvements in low-light performance, dynamic range, and detail quality. For content creators and photographers, this means sharper cityscapes, richer sunsets, and more vibrant landscapes. Whether you're capturing a serene moment in nature or the energy of an urban skyline. AI-powered tracking is another area where DJI seems poised to push boundaries. Improved object recognition and tracking algorithms could enable the Mini 5 Pro to seamlessly follow fast-moving subjects, from athletes to wildlife. This feature would be a game-changer for filmmakers and action enthusiasts, allowing the drone to lock onto the excitement while you focus on the creative process. Connectivity is shaping up to be another exciting area where the DJI Mini 5 Pro could truly shine. Rumors point to the addition of 5G connectivity, a potential game-changer that could elevate its usability to new heights. With 5G, users might enjoy smoother real-time communication, higher resolution live feeds, and faster responsiveness, critical for professional drone operators who demand precision and clarity during remote operations. For recreational users, this means seamless navigation and lag-free, breathtaking views, making every flight more immersive. Safety and precision are also expected to see notable improvements. While the Mini 4 Pro impressed with its obstacle avoidance system, leaks suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could introduce a 360 degrees detection system. This comprehensive setup, rumored to use visual, infrared, and ultrasonic sensors, would offer unparalleled safety in challenging environments like dense forests or crowded urban spaces. Beginners could fly with greater confidence, while seasoned pilots could explore their creativity without the constant fear of crashes. Battery life, a key consideration for any drone, might also see optimization. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to match or slightly exceed the 40-minute flight time of its predecessor, achieved through advancements in power efficiency and a rumored lightweight battery design. This ensures users can capture more, explore further, and execute complex maneuvers without interruptions. With a potential late 2024 release, DJI appears to be refining its formula to deliver a polished product. The expected price range of $700 to $800 reflects its significant upgrades, including a larger sensor, smarter AI tracking, and 5G capabilities, while maintaining its hallmark portability. Though not a groundbreaking leap, the Mini 5 Pro's enhancements address key pain points, ensuring it appeals to a diverse audience. Whether you're a beginner seeking a user-friendly experience or a professional needing a compact, high-performance drone, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could deliver a compelling blend of innovation and refinement. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into the DJI Mini 5 Pro leaks. We're excited to see how DJI balances innovation and portability with this next-gen model. What do you think about these leaks? Are you as excited as we are for the Mini 5 Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on all the latest drone news.